Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to open two different apps in split screen mode at the same time in Android smartphone or tablet. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the Play Store and just search for one application named as Be Nice. And the first list you'll see the application, just click on it. Now just click on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just click on open. Now just click on this code. Now just click on this plus button. Now just click on this select first app and select your respective app which you want to add. So let me add a calculator. And now once again click on this select second app and select the respective second application. So let me select this gallery. And now you can select the launch second app after. So I'll just select the default time and you can add your own custom label name also. And below you can select the respective icons design, and you can select your own custom icon by selecting on this option. So I'm gonna select the pre-included icons, and now just select both the option and click on create. Now click on add. Now it will be added to the home screen. You can minimize it. Now you can see here. Now just click on it. These two different applications are getting open in the split screen mode at the same time. So it's working perfectly. So similarly, you can add multiple different applications and create shortcuts on your respective home screen in order to launch them simultaneously at the same time in the split screen mode. So by using this cool application named as Be Nice, you can easily open two different apps in split screen mode at the same time in Android smartphone or tablet very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.